Good morning student. Today we are going to teach new question. Calculate the loss of energy when two charged conductor are connected, or prove that when two charged conductor are connected there will be loss of energy. A and B, two charged conductor, Q1 and Q2, two charges, V1 and V2, two potential difference, C1 and C2 capacitance. Before charging, after charging. Let A and B, two conductors are capacitance C1 and C2 respectively when charges Q1 and Q2 are given separately. The potential becomes V1 and V2 respectively before charging, after charging. After charging, wire connected and potential becomes V. Total charge Q equal to Q1 plus Q2, equation number 1. But Q1 equal to C1 V1, Q2 equal to C2 V2. Putting the value of Q1 and Q2 in equation first. Q equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. Total capacity C equal to C1 plus C2. Common potential. After charging, A and B, two conductors are connected in wire and potential becomes V. Let the conductor are connected by a wire and common potential becomes V. Q1 plus Q2 equal to C1 plus C2 V. Q equal to CV. V is common potential. Q1 equal to C1 V1. Q2 equal to C2 V2. C1 plus C2 into V. That is V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. Equation number 2. Common potential formula. V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. Loss of energy. Potential energy of conductor A before joining. Potential energy of conductor before joining, half C1 V1 square, B is half C2 V2 square. After charging, half C1 V square, V is common potential, and B is half C2 V square. Conductor A before joining half C1 V1 square and B is half C2 V2 square. Total energy before joining, U1 equal to half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square. Potential energy of conductor A after joining, common potential V, half C1 V square, B is half C2 V square. Half C1 V square and B is half C2 V square. Total energy U2 equal to 1 upon 2 C1 V square plus 1 upon 2 C2 V square. U2 equal to 1 upon 2 V square common. 1 upon 2 C1 plus C2 into V square. By using equation number 2, V value U2 equal to 1 upon 2 C1 plus C2 V. This C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2 का whole square. U2 equal to 1 upon 2 C1 plus C2 C1 V1 plus C2 V2 का whole square upon C1 plus C2 का whole square. C1 plus C2 cancel. U2 equal to 1 upon 2 C1 V1 plus C2 V2 का whole square upon C1 plus C2. U2 U1, hence difference of energy. U equal to U1 minus U2. U equal to U1 value 1 upon 2 C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square. U2 is 1 upon 2 C1 V1 plus C2 V2 का whole square upon C1 plus C2. 1 by 2 common. U equal to 1 upon 2 ब्रैकेट में C1 V1 स्क्वायर प्लस C2 V2 स्क्वायर माइनस A प्लस B का होल स्क्वायर C1 square v1 square plus 2ab means 2c1 v1 c2 v2 plus b square means c2 square v2 square upon c1 plus c2. LCM c1 plus c2 LCM upon c1 plus c2 cross multiplication c1 plus c2 u equal to 1 upon 2 c1 plus c2 c1 v1 square plus c2 v2 square minus sign bracket close open sign change minus c1 v1 square minus c1 v1 c2 v2 minus c2 square v2 square c1 multiply and c2 multiply u equal to 1 upon 2 c1 square v1 square plus c1 multiply c1 square v1 square c1 multiply c1 c2 v2 square c2 multiply c2 c1 v1 square c2 multiply c2 square v2 square minus sign this positive negative cancel upon c1 u equal to 1 upon 2 c1 c2 v2 square plus c1 c2 v1 square minus 2 c1 c2 v2 upon c1 plus c2 u equal to 1 upon 2 c1 c2 common c1 c2 upon c1 plus c2 v2 square plus v1 square minus 2 v1 v2 a minus b का होल स्क्वायर मीन्स v1 माइनस v2 का होल स्क्वायर तो u इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2 c1 c2 अपॉन c1 प्लस c2 v1 माइनस v2 का होल स्क्वायर. थैंक यू.